We all love a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. This rich source of protein is both healthy and delicious. Let's see how the tastiest peanut butter is made. Alpino Health Food sources highest quality nutrient-rich peanuts and brings them to a state-of-art manufacturing facility. On arrival, the peanuts are collected, tested and sorted. And the best ones go to a roasting machine. The roasted peanuts are then fed to the blender, which removes the skin of the peanut, breaks into two parts and also removes the heart of the peanuts. Any traces of aflatoxins are also carefully removed. The pure peanuts are fed to a mill, which grinds the peanuts and create a paste from them. For a crunchy flavor, small peanut pieces are added. A smooth of crunchy paste of peanut butter is then filled into jars of appropriate sizes. And labeled in an automatic labeling machine. Alpino manufactures natural peanut butter in crunchy and smooth flavors. The chocolate flavor is amazing. And honey is also loved by millions. The all-natural peanut butter has a pool of oil on top. If it doesn't, it surely has some added content such as sugar, salt or preservatives. Mix the oil and go all natural with Alpino peanut butter.